wettest channel on the internet.
We're back on the road again, but this time we're not going as far as last video. We're actually going pretty close. We're going to the best place on earth, the water. And as you can see, we're gonna have some fun in the sun with the jet skis. And right now we're driving through beautiful Sunny Isles, Florida, working our way to Haulover Marina. Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful day, but we're taking a risk because it is late in the afternoon. And look at this, the ramp is backed up. Well, at least it's not closed. And while we were sitting here waiting our turn, we felt really lucky because we got the notification that the ramp closed right after the third vehicle behind us. So you could say we cut it pretty close. Well, but now we're gonna back into the ramp and launch him off to the water. Yep, you saw it. We're back late like usual, but today we're really late, and that's what happens when you're late here in Miami. The boat ramps either get closed off or they're almost full, so we made it just in time to squeeze in. But there's a lot of people here today. And by the way, I hope everybody is having a great Easter weekend. We did, like you saw yesterday's video. It was amazing over there at the Big Chill, Key Largo. Met a lot of great people. It was awesome. And I'll be back again this summer over there making a big party. So as soon as the date comes up, I'll let you guys know, and you can join the show at Key Largo. Becoming a rapper. And by the way, I would like to say hello to the drivers that were actually beeping the horn and screaming out my name while I was coming to the boat ramp. Thank you guys so much for the love and attention, and I'm really glad that you guys enjoy the videos. But now we're gonna get back to what we came to do, and that is to have some fun in the sun, just like the rest of the people here today. And yes guys, the Sandbar Life and Fresco Channel long sleeve shirts, they're even comfortable enough to wear the whole day on the jet ski and you won't get sunburned. And like you notice, today is a lot of boat traffic. So guys, if you're out there in your jet skis, remember, when boats are catching plane or even while they're cruising, sometimes it's very hard to see over the bow. So please stay away from the boats and give them the right of way, because you don't want your day to get cut short by an accident. And now we just arrived at Miami's paradise on the water, Haulover Sandbar. And to answer the question one more time that I think I get it in every video, no, Haulover Sandbar is not closed. And I guess for the people that ask me that is because they missed or didn't see the last Sandbar party video we did here. Basically the difference is now that the sandbar is smaller and the sand doesn't come out anymore, but that gives it more room for the bigger boats to come and party. That was pretty cool. What is this? Release. And like you notice, there's no sand in sight. The area here could vary from 3 feet all the way to 8 feet, depending if it's low tide or high tide. So that makes it harder for the kids to play in the sand or in the water. But there's an easy solution for that. You guys can go to the south side sandbar to Haulover, and that's where we're going today, to show you guys that there is a solution to the inconvenience that the dredging caused.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
And just in case you don't know where Haulover South Sandbar is, well, it's really close to the original Sandbar. I'll say it's about 300 yards down south, and you actually see boats parked there. And here it is, guys, Haulover South Sandbar. And I think right now the tide's going out, so like you can see, the water level is almost up to your knee height, and that makes it more easier and comfortable for the smaller people on the boat. And you're also going to notice that this sandbar spreads out bigger than the original Haulover Sandbar. The only thing is you might find a few patches of seaweed grass, but overall there's a lot of sand here to enjoy. And talking about enjoy, I got to hang out with my good friends here at the sandbar, and we're going to call it Haulover South. But we're going to leave them behind because they're playing a good game of frisbee while we keep checking around, see what the Miami boaters are up to on this Easter weekend. It's pretty cool here. And now we're gonna work our way towards another popular place here by Haulover, better known to the locals as Beercan Island. But the real name of this island is called Sandspur, because a lot of people ask me they can't find it when they try searching up the name Beercan Island. So this is what you call a typical weekend here in Miami around Haulover and Beercan Island. But the funny thing is, it's not even summer yet because the water is still kind of cool. So can you imagine when the water warms up and the kids get out for summer? Boy, it's gonna be lots of boaters out in the water. And for those people that have to trailer their boat like me, well, the ramp hustle is gonna get crazy. But if you're one of the lucky ones that keep your boat on a marina or on the water, you have nothing to worry about but just having some fun in the sun. And what we're doing today is just riding around on the jet skis, enjoying this beautiful day. But now we're gonna work our way back to Haulover Sandbar, but to the north location. Oh, and talking about fun, I've gotten a lot of questions once I posted the Boca Bash video on Instagram. And yeah, Boca Bash, well actually Boca Lake, it's about an hour and 30-minute drive north through the intercoastal. But if you're gonna take it offshore, it'll take you about 45 minutes from Haulover Sandbar. But if you're a lucky one and you want to trailer up north, you could do that too. And if you're not gonna make it, don't worry, I'll be there and I'm gonna record it, so you can always check back on my channel and watch it there. Now we're gonna stop by Aquatic Flavor and their second food boat. And if you're wondering what happened to the yellow music boat, well, it's coming back bigger and better. So stay tuned.
Delivery man.
I'm gonna take care of you guys.
I'm
Nice
good.
to see you.
I'm good. I'm good.
Thank you.
And we're gonna keep cruising around, and look who we found, sea junkies, and they're also here enjoying the beautiful day at the sandbar. Well, I guess you want to call this taking the sandbar yachting to the next level. Well, the size of the yacht doesn't catch your eye, the music will, and I guess you want to call this taking fun in the sun to the next level. And it gets even better when your friends join you. Well, the same thing you're wondering, we are too. Why is the sea-doo hanging off the winch? Did it sink or something happen? I don't know, but we didn't ask. But one thing, it sure didn't look good. Well, and this goes to show that Haulover Sandbar, north side and south side, is made to accommodate everyone, from the kayakers all the way up to the mega yachts. So if you're planning to visit South Florida, make sure you stop by here, because this you don't want to miss. But now we're gonna start heading back to the ramp. But I think before we put the skis up, the kids want to take a ride and use up some of their stored up energy. Well guys, if you love being in the water as much as we do, don't miss out on this event. We're doing it again, the Miami Boat Rally. So go register at www.miamiboatrally.com. And this is one of those days that you want to go on the water, but Orquita or Gabby wanted to go. And the hydro sport is a lot of work to take out. So what you do, you jump on the skis with the boys and head out to have some fun in the sun, because you can never go wrong when you spend your day in the water. But the day is coming to an end, and I hope you guys enjoy the video of us cruising around Haulover Sandbar. And don't forget that this weekend coming up is Boca Bash, located at Boca Lake. And if you're going, I'll see you guys out there on the weekend. This is to answer the question from the last video of us riding the jet skis. Why do we turn them on once we're out of the water? Well, the answer is to get the water out of the engine and the exhaust system, because since the engine's still hot, the water will evaporate and leave the salt particles behind, clogging up the water ports through the system. So that's why you're gonna see everyone that has a jet ski, once they come out of the water, they rev them up to get the water out.